Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are all well and stay indoor, stay safe. Here Gopal Srivastav taking your science. In science, I am taking your biology section. Okay. Now today I will start the exercises of chapter number 7, the conservation of the plants and animals. The conservation of plants and animals. So student, let's ready to write down the question answer in your fair copy. Okay, so write down all the exercises in your fair copy. So ready student, open your exercise of this chapter number 7. I am also taking the book for the explanation of the question and answer. Okay student, ready for the write down the question and answer. Date, 28 August, class 8, subject science. I am taking your biology section. Okay. You can query any question of the science, but I am taking the biology in your class, in your school. So student, ready for write down the very short answer question. First, very short question, very short answer questions. Very short answer questions. QUESTI in one word. Okay. First of all, you will write down the question number 1. Okay. I am not going to write down the question. You will write down the question from the textbook in your fair copy. Okay. Don't write in the book. Question 1. Question answer number 1. What is the large scale cutting of forest trees called, student? Large cutting of trees called deforestation. Deforestation. Okay, write down DEFORESTATION. Second, name to each of flora and fauna of Panchmarahi Biosphere Reserve. In Panchmarahi, flora and fauna. Flora means plants, fauna means animals. Write down both respectively. Question answer number 2. So mango and teak. Okay. And barking deer, and cheetal. Question answer number 3. This is flora and this is fauna. Question 3. What are the species existing in small number called, very small number called is the rare. are a rare species. Question answer number 4. Name the raw material used in paper manufacturing. You know, student, paper is made by the pulp of the tree, except the bark of tree and the root of tree. These parts are not used for making the paper. Only pulp, and one more thing, that is what? Bleach. Okay, write down tree pulp and second BLEA, bleach, for whitening the paper. Question answer number 5. What are the species of plants, animals which have been lost in ever called? Not exist in present time. So this is called extinct. What is extinct? Below. EXTIN, extinct. EXTINCT, extinct. Write down, student, in the copy. You should write down the question at your home. Don't write in the online. Please leave the pages for the question. Write down the only answer. Leave the pages, leave the lines according to the question. Okay, student. Now I am going to explain the second point or section second, this chapter. Second, short answer question. Short answer question means in 10 to 15 words. This answer will be 10 to 15 words. Question answer number 1. What is meant by flora and fauna? Flora means the plants species are found in the particular area, and flora means found in the particular area the animals species. Okay, this is already given in the page number 117. Plants and animals found in plants and animals found in a particular area are called flora and fauna. Of that area. Okay, now write down it fast, or you can tick in the book. This is given in flora and fauna, page number 117. Find it fast, student. Question: what are endemic species? Which places have large number of endemic species? Okay, so already given in your book. Endemic species which are going to extinct in near future. Write down. The species of plant and animals plants and animals which are found in a place are called endemic species. Remote island group, GROU group, such as Hawaii, 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 and Galapagos, and GALAPAGOS have large number of endemic species. Already given in page number 118. You can search. I am already written this. You can tick and write down very neat and clean at your home. Okay. Plants and animals found in a particular area are called flora and fauna of that area. Second, the species of plant and animals which are found in a place are called endemic species. Remote island group such as Hawaii and Galapagos have large number of endemic species. Write down it. What are the migratory birds? Question number 3. What are migratory birds? Name one such bird. You know, migratory birds are that bird which migrate from one place to another place for the extreme cold and for the search of food for the breeding are called migratory birds. Okay, Siberian crane, Arctic tern are some birds. Already given in page number 120. Write down, student. Do you know? Page number 121. I am going to rub this question. Answer number 1. Now write down question. Answer number 3rd. The bird which fly, the bird which lie from one habitat to another are called migratory bird. Migratory birds. Example: Arctic tern, Arctic tern, and second Siberian crane, Siberian, Siberian crane. Write down, student, or tick in your textbook with the help of pencil. Page number already given in page number 121. I am going to rub this question answer number 2. I am write down the answer also and giving the page number where the answers are given in your textbook. What is meant by reforestation? Can reforestation take place naturally? What is the meant by reforestation? Taking the large number of the tree. Okay. Already given in page number 122. Question answer number 4. Page number 122. The last paragraph. So know you know. In so know you know. Redevelopment of forest. Redevelopment of forests. Redevelopment of forests by planting. Redevelopment of forest by planting, PLANT, more tree in place, more trees in place, more tree in place of the trees destroyed is called reforestation. The next question: can reforestation take place naturally? Yes, comma, reforestation take place naturally also. Write in your fair copy, student. First. Long answer type question answer in 10, 20 to 25 words. Answer 20 to 25 words. Define biodiversity. Why should it be conserved? Conserved. Okay, student. Today I will be write down this question answer in the board. On the board. So student, write down it fast. This is already given in your book. I am going to rub this. Okay. Page number 122 and 121. Search it. Long, first of all, section C. Long. Answer type question. Okay. Question answer number 1. There are two questions are hidden in this one question. First, define the biodiversity. Why should it be conserved? First, write down the define the biodiversity. Already given in page number. Just wait, student. Page number 117. 117. In the do you know? Do you know? In the above of the sentences, the variety and variability variability of all animals, plants, and microorganisms found in a particular area of an ecosystem is called biodiversity. This is the definition. And the second, why should it be conserved? So it should be conserved. Because of following reasons student, this question you should write down immediate because there is no answer is given in your textbook. I will be explain it. Okay, first write down the biodiversity, Diversity. First of all, biodiversity maintains, maintain balance of ecosystem. You know, ecosystem are the interconnected of the abiotic and biotic component. Okay, this is the self made of the environment. Okay, so write down for biodiversity maintains balance of ecosystem. Second, I am going to rub this. Second, wild animals and plants, WILD, wild animals and plants, WILD, wild animals and plants promote a variety of wild animals and plants provide a variety of a variety of accommodation, accommodation means any changes to biodiversity, biodiversity will retain retain the whole support and will be a threat R-E-A, threat. To human existence, EXIS, existence. So, while animals and plants provide a variety of accommodation means support for the existence of the life of the human being, means if any changes if any changes to biodiversity will threaten the whole support and will be a threat to human existence. So student, don't disturb the biodiversity of any particular places. Okay, now your time is going over. Write down today's homework. Write down today's exercises of chapter 3 notebook. And learn it. Write down, student. Your class is over. Thank you, student. Have a nice day. Okay, write down.